Hi, I'm Rutvi from Webking Solutions. And today I want to talk about something that's silently costing businesses leads every single day. What if your website contact form looks like it's working perfectly well, but every inquiry is silently disappearing? The customer fills in the form, they hit submit, they get a confirmation message. But you get nothing. No email, no lead, no business. This happens more often than most businesses realize. You assume the form is working because it looks fine on the website. But somewhere between that form submission and your inbox below, the inquiry gets lost. And if it's happening regularly, you could be losing real customers without even knowing it. So, why does this happen? There are a few common reasons. First, spam folder. Your form emails are being delivered but straight into spam, not your inbox. Second, incorrect SMTP settings. Your hosting server isn't configured to send emails correctly on your behalf. Third, missing OAuth authentication. The email account connected to your form hasn't been properly authenticated, which modern email providers now require for secure delivery. Fourth, broken form integration. The link between your contact form and your mailbox is misconfigured or broken.
Before you panic, try these quick checks firsthand. Check your spam and junk folder first. The emails may already be arriving there.
Submit a test inquiry using a different email address and see if it lands. Review your contact form settings and confirm the recipient email is correct. Check your SMTP configuration in your hosting or email settings. Verify that OAuth authentication has been set up and approved for your connected email account. If you've tried all of that and leads are still going missing, the problem may be deeper inside your website setup. That's exactly where Webking Solutions comes in. We diagnose and form delivery use, configure your SMTP and OAuth authentication correctly so you never miss a lead again. Because every missed inquiry is a missed opportunity. Contact Webking Solutions today and follow us for more practical website and tech tips.